Okay, in this section, I'm going to cover the Appearance tab and what that does. It might be a little bit too complex right now, so you can always skip past this one and come back to it later. But because it's part of the studio and colors and strokes, I will cover it now. So you select your shape. I've got my new trapezoid shape here, and we'll go up. And instead of hitting stroke or color, we'll go straight to the Appearance panel. And basically in this panel, it'll allow you to add multiple strokes or multiple fills. So let's do the multiple strokes. So I just click on the outline here, our stroke, click on that, and it will bring up the color wheel. Let's just make it black. There it is. And we change the width by simply clicking on this and dragging that down. Okay, so we've got one stroke. Let's add another stroke. So down here, I click Add Stroke. Okay, so from here, I'll do the same again, except this time I'll choose a different color. And now I'll change the width slightly. So you can see everything's quite small right now. So I'm just going to quickly go to the black one, bring the width up a lot. Now I'm going to go to the pink one. I'll bring that width up. And you can see that we have two strokes here on one shape. And you can change the order of this and show whether you want to align it in the center, on the inside, or on the outside. And you can change the order by literally dragging these up and down. But let's move on to the next section.